Searching for the perfect outdoor cooking companion? The best portable wood-burning stove is a must-have for camping trips, offering efficient heat and cooking power wherever you go. Stay prepared on your adventures. Number 1. US Wood-Burning Stove. The US Wood-Burning Stove is an excellent heating solution for cabins and small structures, combining functionality with durability. Capable of reaching an impressive 54,000 British thermal units, this stove efficiently heats up to 900 square feet, ensuring warmth even in the coldest conditions. Crafted from heavy-duty cast iron, the stove brings together a blend of classic and modern aesthetics, making it a stylish yet practical addition to any space. The durable construction ensures long-term use, resisting wear and tear while maintaining heat for extended periods. One of the standout features of this stove is its two-piece safety handle, which remains cool to the touch even when the stove is at peak performance. This adds an extra layer of safety, preventing accidental burns and making it easy to open and close the stove while it is in use. The spacious firebox accommodates logs up to 19 inches in length, reducing the frequency of refueling and minimizing the need for cutting smaller logs. This convenience is particularly beneficial for those in remote locations where firewood supply can be a challenge. With dimensions of 33 inches in length, 18.5 inches in width, and 23 inches in height, this stove offers a compact yet powerful heating solution. Weighing approximately 130 pounds, it is sturdy enough to withstand frequent use yet manageable for installation. Ideal for use in cabins and other outdoor structures, this stove is a must-have for anyone looking for reliable and efficient heating in colder climates. Whether you need a heating source for a winter getaway or a backup heating option, the US wood-burning stove delivers warmth and functionality in a well-designed package. Number 2. Avoforest Wood-Burning Stove. The Avoforest wood-burning stove is a top-tier camping stove designed with portability and efficiency in mind. Featuring a detachable chimney system consisting of 7 sections, each 12 inches in diameter, this stove offers a customizable setup to fit various tent sizes and camping environments. The inclusion of a damper in one of the chimney pipes allows for precise control over the flame size and burning rate, providing optimal heating and cooking conditions. A key highlight of this stove is its visual glass window, crafted from high flame retardant silicone fiber material. This feature enables users to monitor the burning process at all times without having to open the stove, ensuring better temperature control and fuel efficiency. Additionally, the damper under the glass window can be adjusted to regulate airflow, allowing for a larger flame when needed while conserving wood when burning efficiency is a priority. Built from high-quality iron, the Avoforest wood-burning stove boasts durability and strength, while the stainless steel chimney components ensure easy maintenance and resistance to corrosion. The stove's compact design allows it to be packed into a single box, making it an excellent choice for adventurers who value space-saving equipment. What sets this stove apart is the inclusion of practical accessories such as fire tongs, brushes for ash cleanup, woven gloves for safety, and a drain screen for filtering burnt ash. These thoughtful additions make the stove more user-friendly and enhance its overall utility. Before first use, it is recommended to conduct a burn outdoors to ensure safety and proper function. Number 3. Camp Chef Wood-Burning Stove. The Camp Chef Wood-Burning Stove is a premium heating and cooking solution designed for outdoor enthusiasts. This high-quality cylinder stove system includes essential features such as a damper, internal log grate, spark arrestor, accessory shelves, and a 5-piece nesting pipe. These components work together to provide a convenient and efficient heating system for a variety of outdoor environments, from camping trips to backyard gatherings. One of the most notable aspects of this stove is its easy transportability. The removable legs and compact components are designed for quick disassembly, making storage and transportation effortless. Despite its portability, the stove remains highly durable, capable of withstanding harsh outdoor conditions. Versatility is another strong suit of this stove. Its roomy cooktop provides ample space for meal preparation, while the door damper allows precise heat control for cooking and heating purposes. The stove is compatible with standard wood system water heaters, making it an excellent choice for campers who require hot water in addition to warmth. Designed for wall tent camping, this stove is ideal for providing reliable heating in outdoor settings. The Alpine Heavy-Duty Cylinder Stove, a standout model in the Camp Chef lineup, is particularly appreciated for its all-around performance and ability to meet the demands of adventurers. Number 4. Huskfirm Wood-Burning Stove. The Huskfirm wood-burning stove is an excellent option for outdoor enthusiasts, Looking for a reliable and portable heating solution? Designed with convenience and functionality in mind, this stove features folding handles, allowing for easy storage and portability. These handles also serve as a dry stand, providing a space to dry gloves, socks, and other small wet items. The 4 collapsible legs make it simple to set up and pack away, while the chimney and accessories fit neatly inside the stove's body, reducing bulk and simplifying transport. The stove's large window provides a clear view of the internal combustion, which is a unique feature that enhances the overall experience. This allows you to monitor the fire and ensure proper heat distribution. Additionally, the stove's ashtray design makes cleaning out the ashes easy and hassle-free. Safety is a top priority, and the Huskfirm wood-burning stove comes equipped with a range of safety features. The 5-section chimney pipe can be assembled to the appropriate height for your needs, ensuring proper ventilation. The FireStar-proof tube installed at the top prevents stray sparks from landing on your tent or surrounding area, reducing the risk of accidental fires. The welded rain cover on top ensures that rain or snow doesn't enter the stove, allowing you to use it safely in all weather conditions. These thoughtful safety features provide peace of mind while using the stove. In addition to safety, the stove's performance is impressive. The dual adjustable damper system, which includes a bottom air intake control and a rotary iron switch on one of the chimneys, allows for easy regulation of airflow and smoke. This system helps adjust the firepower, ensuring that each piece of firewood burns efficiently. The stove is perfect for heating tents, as it releases a significant amount of heat, keeping you warm on cold days. Moreover, it takes up minimal space, making it ideal for small tent setups or outdoor cooking. Number 5. Ytaoeo Wood Burning Stove. The Ytaoeo Wood Burning Stove is a compact, multifunctional stove designed to meet the needs of outdoor adventurers. Whether you're camping, hiking, or enjoying a cabin getaway, this stove delivers both warmth and practicality in a portable package. One of the standout features of this stove is its ability to fit all necessary accessories, including 7 chimney pipes, an ash scraper, and a fireplace grate, inside the stove itself. The foldable legs and compact design save valuable space, making it easy to carry and store. The side shelves double as carrying handles, further adding to the convenience of transportation. This feature ensures that all your essential components are neatly stored together for easy access. The stove comes with 7 chimney pipes, including a 90-degree elbow and an anti-spark pipe, designed for optimal safety and performance. The adjustable chimney system allows for versatile setups, making it compatible with a wide range of tents and stove jacks. Whether you're in a large tent or a small shelter, the chimney system can be customized to meet your needs. The inclusion of an airflow controller adds another level of convenience, allowing you to easily manage the intensity of the fire. With the ability to adjust airflow, you can control the flame's heat output, making it ideal for various weather conditions. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.